Hola, mi amigos! I'm Nympha S. Santos. In this presentation, we're going to talk about the most commonly used operating systems. There is a variety of operating systems from which we can choose from. It includes the Microsoft Windows, Unix, Linux, and Macintosh OS X. But first, let us talk about the Microsoft Windows. Windows 1.0. The history of Windows dates back to September 1981 when Chase Bishop designed the first model of an electronic device and product interface manager was started. The shell of Windows 1.0 was a program known as the MS-DOS Executive. Other supplied programs were Calculator, Calendar, Card File, Clipboard Viewer, Clock, Control Panel, Notepad, Paint, Reversi, Terminal, and Write. Windows 1.0 did not allow overlapping windows. Instead, all windows were tiled. Only dialog boxes could appear over other windows. Windows 2.0. Windows 2.0 was released in October 1987 and featured several improvements to the user interface and memory management. Windows 2.0 allowed application windows to overlap each other and also introduced more sophisticated keyboard shortcuts. Windows 2.1. Windows 2.1 was released in two different versions, the Windows 386 and Windows 286. Windows 3.0 and Windows 3.1. Windows 3.0 and Windows 3.1 improved the design, mostly because of virtual memory and loadable virtual devices drivers, which allow them to share the arbitrary devices between multitasked DOS windows. Windows 95. Windows 95 was released in August 1995, featuring a new user interface, support for long file names up to 255 characters, and the ability to automatically detect and configure installed hardware. Windows 98. Microsoft's next release was Windows 98 in June 1998. Microsoft released a version of Windows 98 in May 1999, named Windows 98 Second Edition. Windows ME. In September 2000, Microsoft released Windows Millennium Edition, which updated the core from Windows 98 but adopted some aspects of Windows 2000 and removed the boot in DOS mode option. It also added a new feature called System Restore, allowing the user to set the computer setting back to an earlier date. Windows NT. The NT family of Windows system was fashioned and marketed for higher reliability business use. The first release was NT 3.1 in 1993, which was followed by NT 3.5 in 1994, NT 3.51 in 1995, NT 4.0 in 1996, and Windows 2000. 2000 is the last NT-based Windows released, which does not include Microsoft product activation. NT 4.0 was the first in this line to implement the Windows 95 user interface. Windows XP. Microsoft then moved to combine their consumer and business operating systems with Windows XP, coming in both home and professional versions. They also diverged release schedules for server operating systems. Windows XP introduced several new features to the Windows line, including GDI plus graphics subsystem, start menu and taskbar improvements, a number of new features in Windows Explorer, faster startup, log on and log off in hibernation sequences. It also features fast user switching and the ability to discard a new device driver in favor of the previous one, or also known as driver rollback. Windows 2003. Windows Server 2003, released a year and a half after Windows XP, brought Windows Server up to date with MS Windows XP. Windows Vista. After a lengthy development process, Windows Vista was released toward the end of 2006, and its server counterpart, Windows Vista, contains many changes and new features, including an updated graphical user interface and visual style dubbed Aero, a redesigned search function, multimedia tools including Windows DVD Maker, and redesigned networking, audio, print, and display subsystems. Windows Server 2008 was released in early 2008. On July 22, 2009, Windows 7 and Windows Server 2008 R2 were released as RTM, or released to manufacturing. Windows 7. On October 22, 2009, Windows 7 was released. Windows 7 includes a number of new features such as advances in touch and handwriting recognition, support for vital hard disks, improved performance on multi-core processors, improved boot performance, direct access, and kernel improvement. And now, after the Microsoft Windows, we're going to talk about the different operating systems. Unix operating system. Originally developed by AT&T, Unix is now also offered by other vendors including Solaris by Sun Microsystems and AIX by IBM. Unix is multitasking, multi-user, network managing operating system whose portability allows it to run on mainframes, mid-range computers, and microcomputers. Unix is still a popular choice for web and other network servers. Linux. Linux is a low-cost, powerful, and reliable Unix-like operating system that is rapidly gaining market share from Unix and Windows servers as a high-performance operating systems for network servers and web servers in both small and large networks. Linux was developed as a free or low-cost shareware or open-source software over the Internet in the 1990s by Linus Torvalds of Finland and millions of programmers around the world. Linux is still being enhanced in this way, but it's sold with extra features and support services by software vendors such as Red Hat, Caldera, and SUSE Linux. And last, Macintosh OS X. Macintosh OS X is the latest operating system from Apple for iMac and other Macintosh microcomputers. The Mac OS X version 10.2 Jaguar has an advanced graphical user interface and multimedia capabilities, along with an integrated web browser, email, instant messaging, search engine, digital media player, and many other features.